Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Okay, all of you take your book. Everybody take your book in your hand. Which book you are going to take? Social science. Very good. Take the page 128. 128. In the previous class, we learned about the what children? Can you say? Safe of the earth. Yes? Safe of the earth. And we saw about the globe. In that globe, we learn more things, yes? How earth rotates, how the globe rotates, the globe rotates. About its axis, yes? Axis is a imaginary line along which an object rotates. So, the two endpoints of axis of rotation is that is poles. Two poles are there, one is north pole, one is south pole. The northern end of the earth axis of rotation is called north pole. Southern of earth axis is rotation is called south pole. So two poles is a imaginary line, yes, halfway between the two poles in another imaginary line circling earth. So it is called what we said equator. We studied about the equator also, yes, and we studied about north hemisphere and southern hemisphere. That earth is divided into equal two halves. So one part north of the equator we can say north hemisphere, and which lies to the south of the equator that we can say southern hemisphere. Did you got it, children? Okay, did you get? Okay. Then we studied about that one latitudes also, yes? Yes or no? This latitude lines we can say parallels or latitudes we can say, yes children, and we saw about the future of the latitudes also, and we studied parallels or latitudes, yes, future of latitudes we studied, yes children. Now today we are going to see about the important parallels. Apart from the equator, equator means 0 degree, yes, 0 degree. North pole is 90 degree n we can say, and the south pole is 90 degree south we can say, yes. There are four other important parallels are there. There are another four important parallels are there. What is that? That is, what is that children? Phi, yes. In our book is phi is there, yes. Arctic circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic circle. See, 66 and off degree north, what we can say? Antarctic circle. That's the south of the equator. That's the south of the equator. Then Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 and off degree north, and equator we are saying. What is equator? I said equator means that is a 0 degree. That's a longest latitude. That is a longest latitude. See in the picture you can understand, okay. And Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 is given here. 23 and off, yes. That is Tropic of Cancer. Capricorn, okay. Now 66 and off degrees south, Antarctic circle. Antarctic circle. This is the north of the equator, okay. Have you got it, children? Okay. Now in this one, this 5 main latitude regions of the earth's surface comprise geographical zones. It is divided by the major of circles of latitude. So this latitude is, we can understand about the climate, okay, the difference between them related to the climate. So this important parallels divided into 3 heat zones. So we can understand that heat zones, yes, rays of sun which are vertical, that occupies space but the heat is very high. When rays of sun is landing, will occupy more space, so the heat will be below. The intensity of the heat will be below. See, now we are going to see the what? Toroid zone. See, this parallel has divided the earth into 3 heat, or we can say toroid zones, temperate zones and fridge zones. Yes? So, this torrid zones we can say tropical zone. We can say tropical zone. So, the torrid means what? That is a heat. Torrid means what, children? Heat. Yes? This is the hottest zone of the earth. This is the zone that lies between the Tropic of Cancer. Torrid. It's the hottest zone, I said. Yes, this zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer. See, in your picture you can see hot, warm, cold is mentioned there. Yes, is there no, children? This 23.5 is a Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 south. So these 2 latitudes we have a hot places. It is mentioned the red color. See, in the picture you can understand. Yes, that is red color. Yes, as the vertical rays of the sun fall in this region experiences very high temperature. So India lies largely in this zone. Okay. Now we are going to see about the temperate zone. See, that is in yellow color. See in the picture, that is the yellow color. This zone is a moderate temperature. This zone is moderate temperature. Moderate means not too cool, not too hot. Not too cold, not too hot. So this receives slanting rays of the sun. This area has a less heat and compared to the torrid zone. Torrid zone oda compare பண்ணும்போது நம்முடைய temperate zone எப்படி இருக்குமா, கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்கும், heat வார்மா இருக்கும், கூலாவும் இருக்காது, ஹாட்டாவும் இருக்காது. Now you can understand, children? Okay. This the area which lies in between the Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle in the North Hemisphere. The area which lies in between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle are temperate zone. So they have a moderate zone temperatures. Okay. Now we are going to see about the fridge zone. Fridge means what? That is means cold. Yes. Yes, children, that is a cold, we can say. This area lying in between the Antarctic Circle and the North Pole in the North Hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle in the South Pole in the South Hemisphere. See, in the picture, light blue color is that is a polar zone. Yes, so in that one you can see fridge zone, that is there also North Pole also cold is there, the down South Pole also cold is there. So this both area sun rises above the horizon. So as a result this area receive the extreme slanting rays of sun. So this region always extreme cold throughout the year. Have you got it, children? Yeah, very good. Now we are going to see about the longitudes. We are going to see about the longitudes. See, the lines of longitudes we can say as a meridians also. The longitudes are imaginary lines which are drawn from North Pole to South Pole. These are the semicircles and distance between them decrease towards the poles where are the meridians meet. Meridians means we can say longitudes also we can say, otherwise we can say meridians also. These meridians are used to define time. The word meridians comes from the Latin words. So meridians means, which means midday or noon. Midday or noon. Thus AM from the Latin antemeridium means before noon. We can say AM. and post meridian means that is afternoon, we can say am, that we can see in next next portions. Okay, okay, not just we can see now longitudes. Longitude, the lines of the longitudes like the line of latitudes are also imaginary line, I said. Yes, it is from the north pole to south pole, I said. Yes, is that no? Children, in this one, lines of longitude, the vertical lines are semicircles that run from north pole to south pole. Longitudes are followed by letters. E for the east longitudes, we can say, and W is mentioned as a west longitude, we can say. Okay, see, in this one we have some futures are there. Yes, futures of longitudes, we can say. See this, all the longitudes are of equal length, unlike the latitudes. Longitudes from semicircles that run from the north pole to south pole. Yes, I said. Yes, the distance between any two longitudes decrease as we move from the equator towards the pole. Longitudes cross the latitudes at right angles, that is an angle of 90 degree. See, these longitudes gradually come closer from the equator to the poles. So they finally converge and meet at the poles. Okay, so now we are going to see the hemisphere. The Earth's 4 hemispheres are there. Yes, is there no? One is northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Yes, children? Yes. See, this is shown above in this picture. That is, one side is shaded as a dark gray. Yes. The equator is only latitude that cuts the earth into 2 equal halves. Already I said the earth is divided into 2 equal halves. Yes, because this is, all the latitudes are smaller circles. In case of longitudes, it is different because all the longitudes are equal in length. I said already, all longitudes are equal in length. So this, any set of 2 opposite longitudes will form a great circle. Great circle. You have any doubt, children? See this vertical imaginary line called the prime meridian. Prime meridian. See, for example, you can see in this picture, dark is there. Yes, that is, sun is not raising there. Okay, so in that part above, in the north pole, you can see North America, Asia, Europe, Africa and Asia. Yes, some countries we can say, when the earth is rotated as an orbit, yes, is axis, so we can see the some places. See, I clearly give the picture in this one, you can understand that one. See, in North Pole, Southern Pole, we have South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. When the earth moves as a earthen hemisphere, so that time we can see the Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Yes, is that all, children? Yes. See, meridian. Meridian cuts the parallels at 90 degree and it helps us to meridian the distance in the east to west directions. Okay, meridian means it passes through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory, that is called prime meridian. Prime meridian. This prime meridian divides the earth into 2 halves. They are eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So they are the 180 longitudes to the east of the Greenwich. How it will come 180? So 90 down and 90 is a, now 90 is a southern pole, 90 is a north pole. So this both if you calculate, that will come 180. It's come in the east side. Yes. So that longitudes we can say east of Greenwich. East of Greenwich, and 180 longitudes to the west of Greenwich. So the Greenwich is called 0 degree latitude, longitude, or we can say prime meridian. So that is one of the equator only. Yes, you see in the book the value, the currently given the value of the 0 degree of longitude. This meridian we can say prime meridian. Yes, the prime meridian is a equator only. Okay, so this longitude is very helpful to us to locate the place very easily. Children, see this picture. This is also hemisphere. Yes, see it is divided as a two havels. I said yes. See, first Northern America is there, down Southern America is there. It's the South Pole. Yes, South America is in the South Pole. Northern America is in the North Pole. So middle is the equator. See in the picture I given it very clearly. See, this is an equator. When we goes to this way, north to east means that is a prime meridian. It's equal. The 0 degree is one of the equator only. So we can say the prime meridian. Okay. So we can divide as a earth is a two havels. One is North Pole and South Pole, and we can say the West Hemisphere and what we can say? East Hemisphere. Can you understand, children? Okay. See, this 0 degree longitude is called, I said, Greenwich or prime meridian. The opposite of the longitude of 0 degree longitude is 180 longitude. So the 180 degree longitude is called international dateline. So prime meridian at 180 longitude divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Yes, in this picture, second picture you can see, yes, this opposite meridian at 180 degree is called the international date time. Okay. So when one cross the line, one has to adjust the date. By common agreement, whenever we go the date advance 1 day. So if you take, if your father is living in Fiji, okay. So now you see the time, now time here 12 o'clock means there in the Fiji, the time is now 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. The difference is there. Okay, so the date also will come back. It's come back, yes. 1 day going to the east. Now you can understand, children, longitudes are numbered in degrees east or west at the prime meridian. So there are a 3 degree longitudes are there. 3 degree longitudes are there. See here, as the earth rotates, each of the lines of the longitude faces the sun it turns. Yes. See, we can see in this picture lines of longitude. We can say as the meridians of longitude. Lines of longitude follows the north-south directions. You can read in this slide. So long lines of longitude measures distance east or west equator, because 180 meridian are to the west at the prime meridian, and we can mark as a west. Okay, and 180 degree E and 180 degree is the same line and is also referred as the international dateline. So international dateline is located at above 180 degree east or west of the prime meridian. So earth is divided into two parts. Yes, so that is a east and a west. That is a, we can say that prime meridian. So it passes through the Greenwich in England. Okay, it passes at the Greenwich in England. So now time. See, world time zone we are going to see now. See in this grade, all all the globe, the lines of latitudes and the lines of longitude intersect each other at right angles, forming a network. This network is known as grid. With the help of the grid, we can locate places on a globe or even on a map. For example, if we know that the latitude of Delhi is 28.30 degree north and its longitude is 77.12 degree east. So we can easily locate a point where these two lines cross each other. Okay, so this point will give us the exact location of the Delhi. So we can easily find through the 8th grade. Okay, we can find through the 8th grade. See, did you know what do the observation of the AM and PM? So the daytime before noon is known as the anti-meridians. Meridians means what? That means midday, or we can say noon. So this word is comes from which? From the Latin word. So meridians are used to define the time only. Okay. So this AM, we can say what name? Anti-meridian. While time after its post-meridian, the observation is a AM. Okay. Whereas PM is, we can say, post-meridian. So that is a afternoon. That is a afternoon. Have you got it, children? Yeah. Longitude and time. We know that the earth is sphere, yes, and it rotates on its axis. So each earth takes 24 hours to complete rotation over to 360 longitude. 360 longitude, yes? Yes or no, children? Yes. Now, therefore, in 1 hour it will cover 15 degree of longitude. How you can calculate 360 divided by 24? So it will get as a 15 degree. Okay, or 4 minutes to cover 1 degree of longitude. 4 minutes it will take to cover the 1 degree longitude. So these two concepts related to latitude and longitude, or local time or standard time. Yes, children? See, local time. Local time, what we can say, this is the actually measures of the position of the sun is related to the locality. Local time is what you and use regulate our lives locally, our work time, meals and sleep times. Yes, this time at the meridian which passes sun's always 12 noon passes west of the particle meridian. இப்போ வந்து சூரியன் நம்ம சூரியன் உச்சி வானத்துக்கு வரதுக்கு முன்னே நம்ம என்ன செய்தோம், அதை பகல்னு சொல்கிறோம், அப்படி தானே? ஸோ the before 12 we can say as the AM, yes. So the place of the east of the longitudes we will have a time head of 12 noon. So all the places situated along the same meridian will have the same local time. So as the earth rotates from the west to east, so that places located at east is Greenwich meridian. So when sunrise earlier, the places lying west of the prime meridian taking Greenwich time as a standard time. So the place located 15 degree east of the Greenwich will have a sunrise 1 hour. 15 degree into 4 minutes. I said one longitude it covers 4 minutes, yes, and I said 360 divided by 24, that is that longitude is 15 degree, I said, yes. So 60 minutes is a 1 hour. So it passes through one longitude to another longitude, it will take us a 1 hour. So the sunrise is a little different will be that. The same way those the places are located in the 1 hour later. Therefore, if the time of prime meridian is a 12 noon, it will be 1 p.m. at 15 east, means in the west 15 degree west 11 a.m. So it is a difference is a 2 hours which is coming. For example, I can say you in USA, yes, it is there 4 time zones. In Russia, we uses a many as 11 time zones. See, for example, I said if it is in the London, there 4 p.m. But what's the time in India? We want to calculate in that one. That time we have different time. Yes or no? Yeah. So for example, and another one example I can say to you, if you go to the Dubai, there 11 o'clock means here our Indian time is 2 o'clock. Yes, 3 hours some difference will be there. So when the sun rises is facing to the off of the earth, it expands as a day, and when the sunrise away from the sun, we experience get night. Now you got it, children? Children, standard time and local time is there. Yes, see, this local time is actually a measure the position of the sun related to the locality. See, the local time, what you use, it's regulate our lives locally on our working times. It's a meal time and sleep times we are saying. Yes, 6 o'clock means that is the early morning. Meals times means we are saying 12 o'clock. Yes or no? Yeah. See, when the sun faces to the sun, so that time always 12 noon. When the place of west of the particular meridian, we have time before 12 noon. So place east of the longitude will have no. So earth rotates from the west to east, so the Greenwich meridian, the sun earlier rises. Is that no? Yeah, we have the standard time also. See in this slide, one places, one time is showing. Yes or no? See, if you go to USA, the time is 7 o'clock, but in the same time Mexico time is 8 o'clock. Is that no? In that same time Australia have a 11 o'clock. So many differences. So we have the standard time in this one. Okay. See here, as the earth rotates, each of the lines of the longitude faces the sun it turns. Yes. See, we can see in this picture lines of longitude. We can say as the meridians of longitude. Lines of longitude follows the north-south directions. You can read in this slide. So long lines of longitude measures distance east or west equator, because 180 meridian are to the west at the prime meridian, and we can mark as a west. Okay, and 180 degree and 180 degree is the same line and is also referred as the international date line. So international date line is located at above 180 degree east or west of the prime meridian. So earth is divided into two parts. Yes, so that is a east and a west. That is a, we can say, that prime meridian. So it passes through the Greenwich in England. Okay, it passes at the Greenwich in England. So now children, we will meet with next lesson in next video. Stay home, stay safe.